This is a 2019 Cayenne S 910, and we're going to show where is the battery and how easy it is to access it and to change it. The battery is located in the passenger side, in the footwell, and you want to put your seat back, slide your seat back, remove your carpet covering. You're going to see that there is a small lid here. You can see all around, and the way to remove it is to pop it from this side up, and then you push it away, and there is the lid, and you have the battery here. As you can see, the battery, you have the negative terminal, the positive terminal, and this is the bracket that supports the battery. There is no screws in this side, but there are two screws in this side. You need to remove the battery cable, remove the positive battery cable so you can access the two screws that are behind there. Don't know if you can see it, but there are two screws there, and that's the way you change the battery. It's very easy, and the registration is 5 minutes tops if you have a scanner with a battery registration option that many scanner has it. It just takes like 5 minutes, and it's the same procedure that you do for any other battery, AGM, gel, or any since 2009. So it's not magic, and it shouldn't be $1,000 for the procedure. Any shop with a scanner can do it. The way you open the terminal, you open this, that has a small two clips here, and then here there is another clip here that you need to press in order to open where the battery is. As you can see, this is the positive terminal that you need to remove. So you loosen here, loosen there, and all this pops up, and then you can access the two screws for the bar that secures the battery down. And you do the same way to put everything back. When you remove it, you have to be careful with these little brackets. These little brackets go over in here so that you can secure the battery lid. So just put it back and then put the lid.